Yes, yes, yes. You know, it's a general. The 10-star one. Sure is. Yeah, me done do a video upon this morning already, you know. You see what I say? I mean, I tell the people them say, yo, listen to me. Right now, I think the class supposed to stop. Jada Kingdom, she create too much damage. You see what I say? Too much damage I create and it no look like Stefflon done. Now her family them can't manage it. Them can't manage the intensity where she bring. No joke thing that about it now, no gimmicks thing that about it. Yo, it get crazy people. It get crazy. The first clash me ever see something like this happen. All know I can't believe. I cannot believe because guess what I go on? There ain't no time I ever see a clash go on lyrically between dancehall artists and that make all them whole family have to come out. Now me hear them family I say, yo, them have to go do song, this one have to go do song, that one have to go do song. Me never ever see that yet. I never know that stefflon and whole family were artists. You know what I mean? Included our mother. You know what I mean? So, me don't know how Jada Kingdom drop song and stefflon done forward out on live and I cry. When she supposed to go in the studio, defeat all the lie where she claims that Jada Kingdom has attack and drop necessary equipment on her and beat her down with lyrics. That's what she's supposed to do. All of this doesn't need it. So they're coming out on the internet and crying, you're going to make you look like you're soft, you're a wimp, you know what I mean? No joke thing that about it. You're not bad girl. You're not bad. You're not bad. You don't go talking it. No joke thing that about it. Jada Kingdom, leave that shit. Me don't know if you don't know that. I don't not see that. I'm not blind. Me don't see it. All my gun see it. No lollipop thing that in the first place. Stefflon and mother shouldn't forward out. Shouldn't troll Jada Kingdom. Shouldn't in her comment section. Shouldn't in her DM. I tell her nothing but nothing whatsoever. She's not an artist, my brother. Her daughter is an artist. Our daughter supposed to defend anything where she create, my brother. Jada Kingdom says she want to know if she shall talk when she talk about the box thing. She change up everything and she said yes, and she you me talk. You see what I say? And then Jada Kingdom unleash the demon out her and look what the fuck happening right now. Look where I'm going right now. You can't believe nothing like this. The whole night the lady and the girl there. Eh? This is like cruelty to dumb animal to blood clot. No joke shit not that about it. And the first clash me ever seen in a dancer like this. Me never see that before, my brother. Me never know say clashing could have disturbed one family like that, my brother. Right now, everybody's sick. The whole of England burn up, turn up and gun up. Jada Kingdom a trend down the whole place. What me say? I be a ball in a go on. You see what I say? Right now, I'm going to beg Jada Kingdom to take her foot off of them neck. Right now, give them some breathing space, my brother. Otherwise, you're going to suffocate them. No joking that they're about it. Jada Kingdom, I beg you, miss, please, mama, take that every fucking foot off of them neck, my brother. You're going to broke it. You see what I say? I be a balling. You know what I mean? Oh my God. I cannot believe what a relief from a new assistant breeze. I never see this coming, you know. So right now, you know, Jada Kingdom, I'll tell you something, you know. You see how much you damage your place? Right now, you just need to drop some good hit song. Because it look like you're on your way to the next dancehall queen. No joke thing that about it. They're going to have to give you that shit. If you start drop some good song and start get some hit, especially international hit, you will be the next dancehall queen. And no joke thing not that about it, no gimmicks thing not that about it, because you start to prove your lyrical ability by how you go for big international stefflon and sweep her foot them and stand up in her neck. Mama Evie, please, I'm begging you, take your foot off her neck, please. Don't do her like George Floyd. I beg you, Mama, please, ease her up. Ease her up, Mama Evie. Ease her up. Them can't manage you. All when them put the whole of them together, them cannot manage you. You're too fucking heavy. You come like the anchor or the big ship out of sea. No lollipop thing in my game, no gimmicks thing that about it. Jada Kingdom, are you bad? East Side Queen, are you bad? You're bad, you're fuck. No joke thing that they but right now you're the baddest little girl in a dance hall. I'm not hide and talk. You see what I say? Respect to the queen, Spice. You see what I say? No joke thing that they about it because out of the camp they are forward from. So here we are going right about now. As soon as Queen Grace Hamilton, Mama Spice, ready for hand up our gloves, you hear the next queen that in fucking line, Jada Kingdom, nobody can pass you. You just need some hit song, girl. May I tell you that? You just need some hit song internationally and locally. Them cannot manage you. There ain't no girl in a dance hall have such fucking lyrical ability right now. If them have it, them have to prove it and show it to me. First thing, everybody that run and talk about stefflon than a bigger artist and share this and share that. Well, you make sure look like she mincemeat. You make sure look like some kindergarten class she come out of, like she training, like she have on training wheel. Mama heavy, pumbo ass class. Me know you heavy, but not so heavy. Till y'all hold the big ship out of sea. Oh my God, dog. Remember tell you something, you destroy stefflon, you know, and destroy her family, you know, my brother, and upstir them brain, you know. Then can't have a thing straight, you know. Then they even know where it them, you know. It's like a nuclear missile, you know, like a silkworm missile will follow eat, you know, my brother. Everything exploding, you know. Yo, right now, the whole of London Bridge burn up, you know. And who caused that? Mama heavy. Me bumper ass clad. Jada Kingdom, you wicked. So all of them jackstrap sniffer that we meet here over J area the last night, my dying for when look more because I know Wiz must go back live. I want to hear where all of the fucking chatty mouth is included Wiz. What you gonna say now? I want to know what you gonna say now because you claim say stefflon dance song bad, you know. After me I tell you, know, that song there, you know, can't manage what go on in the clash, you know. That song they cannot manage what go on in the clash. You know, I say share counter and share this. It just don't sound proper to me and it just don't sound convenient in that space there to where Jada Kingdom leave doing other clashes. So when I say to where Jada Kingdom they do in our first distract West London forward and say share counter it never enough, my brother. I mean I know if I say that and furthermore I don't like the delivery because it never match up. Now give me this thing not dead about it, because when you are these people, you have to go make people hear what you are saying, my brother. Remember this are these people, you know, you throw something down upon them, you know, you lay out something upon them. You have to make the people hear exactly what you are saying clearly, my brother. I saw this thing go. You see what I say? You know, make people have to listen 5, 6, 7 times for try to understand what you are dealing with after this thing you are dealing with. No joking not about it, and not so clashing thing go. Clashing thing, you have to make the people them catch on to your words, know whatever you say, so them know the song, so them can work with you. No joking not about it. Right now, the clash over, and me I tell Jada Kingdom right now, go home, work on some song where you know can dominate the world. Because trust me and believe me, you will be the next dancehall queen. You have the ingredients, you have what it takes, and furthermore, you have the intensity. You know, see, the last time, the one where they made that boots up, so going to be the next dancehall queen, which is Sensor, go up on Sunfest and run her mouth. And when Jada Kingdom unleash run, she and Rumish, the big belly man, they run. No joking not about it, no gimmick thing not about it. They run from the East Side Queen, Jada Kingdom and you bad. A 10-star assessor, the general I represent. I know every time I represent, I know a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. What? General, 10-star. Oh.